Welcome to my vlog. Today, I'm excited to take you behind the scenes of our user login system. This is a crucial part of our website as it ensures that users can securely log in and access their personal content. Whether you're a developer looking to implement a similar system or just curious about how this works, just stick around. So first, this is an example of an login web page. This function start a new session or resume an existing session. It's necessary to manage user session and store your user data across multiple stages. This this is if I set this equals to session username. This check is the session username variable is set, which indicates that a user logged in. A header location home.php. If the user is already logged in, they are redirected to home page. The exit variable this stops further execution of the script once the user is redirected. The else variable, if the user is not logged in, the code within this block, the HTML form will be executed and displayed. The doc